The 5 C's of Cinematography, Motion Picture Filming Techniques is a seminal book on the art of cinematography, written by the late Joseph V. Mascelli, a well-known Hollywood cinematographer and director. First published in 1965, the book remains a popular resource for aspiring and professional filmmakers alike. The book is structured around 5 key elements that Mascelli believed to be essential to the craft of cinematography: camera angles, continuity, cutting, close-ups, and composition. Each section delves into the specific techniques and principles that are associated with each of these elements. The first section of the book, Camera Angles, provides an overview of the different camera angles that are available to filmmakers, and how they can be used to create specific effects. Mascelli explains how camera angles can affect the viewer's perception of a character or a scene, and how they can be used to convey information about the environment or the narrative. He also explores the use of camera movement, including panning, tracking, and tilting, to add dynamism and movement to a scene. The second section of the book, Continuity, is devoted to the importance of maintaining consistency between shots in a film. Mascelli explains how continuity can be achieved through careful planning and execution, and how it can help to create a seamless and immersive viewing experience. He also discusses the use of match cuts and eye-line matches to create a sense of continuity between shots. The third section of the book, Cutting, explores the various techniques that can be used to transition between shots. Mascelli explains the different types of cuts, including jump cuts, dissolves, fades, and wipes, and how they can be used to create a specific effect or convey a particular emotion. He also discusses the importance of pacing and rhythm in editing, and how it can affect the viewer's emotional response to a film. The fourth section of the book, Close-ups, focuses on the use of close-up shots to convey emotion and enhance the viewer's understanding of a character's thoughts and feelings. Mascelli discusses the use of other types of shots, such as medium shots and long shots, to create a sense of space and depth in a scene. He also explores the use of camera placement, lighting, and composition to create an effective close-up shot. The fifth and final section of the book, Composition, is dedicated to the art of framing and composition in cinematography. Mascelli explains the use of the rule of thirds, leading lines, and other compositional techniques to create balance and harmony in a scene. He also explores the use of color, contrast, and texture to create mood and atmosphere. Throughout the book, Mascelli provides numerous examples of the techniques and principles he discusses, using stills from classic films to illustrate his points. He also provides detailed diagrams and technical explanations to help readers understand the mechanics of camera operation and other technical aspects of cinematography. Overall, the 5 C's of Cinematography is a comprehensive and authoritative guide to the art and science of cinematography. It is an essential resource for anyone who wants to understand the techniques and principles that underpin the art of filmmaking, from amateur enthusiasts to professional cinematographers and directors. In addition to the 5 key elements, Mascelli also explores other important topics related to cinematography in the book. For example, he discusses the use of depth of field, which refers to the distance between the nearest and farthest objects in focus in a shot. Mascelli explains how depth of field can be used to create a sense of depth and realism in a scene, and how it can be manipulated to draw the viewer's attention to a particular object or character. Mascelli also discusses the importance of lighting in cinematography. He explains how different lighting techniques can be used to create specific moods and atmospheres, and how they can be used to create contrast and highlight important elements in a scene. He also discusses the use of color in lighting, and how it can be used to enhance the emotional impact of a scene. Throughout the book, Mascelli emphasizes the importance of planning and preparation in cinematography. He encourages filmmakers to carefully consider each shot and to plan out the technical details in advance, such as camera placement, lighting, and composition. He also stresses the importance of collaboration between the director, cinematographer, and other members of the film crew to achieve a cohesive and effective visual style. Overall, The 5 C's of Cinematography is a comprehensive and practical guide to the art of filmmaking. While the book was originally written in the 1960s, many of the techniques and principles discussed are still relevant and widely used in modern cinema. The book has been praised for its clear and concise explanations, as well as its use of numerous examples from classic films to illustrate the concepts discussed. It is a must-read for anyone who is interested in the technical and creative aspects of filmmaking, and a valuable resource for aspiring and professional filmmakers alike. Unlock the secrets of masterful cinematography and take your filmmaking to the next level with The 5 C's of Cinematography by Joseph V. Mascelli. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker or a seasoned professional, this timeless guide will equip you with the knowledge and techniques you need to bring your vision to life on the big screen. With its clear and concise explanations and numerous examples from classic films, The 5 C's of Cinematography is a must-read for anyone who is passionate about the art and science of filmmaking. Get your copy today and elevate your filmmaking game to new heights.